What the hell? Nina starts in like a yoga pose.
Yeah, I know. She's like, I did not wake up here. I don't remember sleeping here.
She's like, how did I wake up here?
Yeah.
Okay, so I have antidote.
Alright.
Oh.
Protect the antidota.
Antidota.
Shotgun. That's mine.
No, you always think and you kill everyone.
What are you talking about? Last round was the first time I've gotten a shotgun. Who got it?
Me.
Okay. Good, we don't want these normies taking it.
Oh, blood missing here in the corner.
Where?
Over here by the house.
This
There.
guy's just watching me, dude.
Yeah, there's blood missing over there, and it was also missing over here while Nina came back, so I'm just saying.
Nina. Suspicious Nina.
Oh, Nina.
Nina? That's me.
I suspect
You.
Nina.
There's also
I think you, Pre-2.
Whoa. Nina just drank blood in front of me.
So just transferring right behind me, I'm not sure. Whoever's fault.
It's Rachel Athener.
What?
Came out of
Why'd
terror
you shoot me?
mode.
Why'd you shoot me?
Oh, that's you. You were shooting people, so I.
No, I was shooting Rachel because she was killing everyone.
Did she get
You
down?
were shooting people, so I decided to shoot him.
No, I don't know.
What's happening?
Oh, wait. What? What did I do? I was just shooting you because I was getting.
I got you.
What is happening right now?
I don't know. I just decided to start shooting pre.
Guys, it's Hans, I'm telling you.
Why is it me?
It's Hans? I don't know.
What?
I just picked him up from dying, so I don't know.
Yeah. Why'd you shoot me? I only shot pre.
Can't find any fuses yet. Oh.
Uh-oh. Rage. What is
Yeah,
that?
she's
Oh,
going
that's-
upstairs. Behind someone.
Wait, where are you guys?
I'm out of ammo. Rachel shooting at me. Help.
How can I pick this guy up?
You good, Pre-2?
I'm right behind Rachel.
Uh-oh.
I down Rachel. Vote on her.
What? How do I vote? Oh, I did.
Yeah, you did.
Wait, where?
She's lying down over
Down
here.
over here.
Alright. Did we kill her?
No, she's right here. She's
Where-
picking something up.
Kill her! Vote on her.
Alright, come on. Wait, turn around. Yishan, come back. Vote on her. Oh shit.
Oh, wait, maybe I'm listening to Ishan, that's why he's not voting on her. Yeah!
Wait, who's down?
No, don't let me die! Don't let me!
Oh, I got him with the trap.
Nice.
Wait, what? How'd you get me with a trap?
Because I put it there, like a smart human being.
I'm dead.
Should I just gun down Rachel like every time I see her?
Yeah. You shouldn't just down me.
Or did I?
Yeah.
What the hell are you doing?